Today we have another dash cam to install. It's the 4K Dashcam VZI104. Okay, so in the box it includes the dash cam itself, and you have the main camera facing the front, which is facing the viewpoint where you're looking at, and you have another camera facing the passenger seat or facing the inside of the car. And in the box it also includes the power cable, which connects to your cigarette lighter, the rear camera itself, and the wires connecting to the dash cam for the rear cameras. So the front camera, you can also tilt it up and down like this. Same with the inside facing the passenger side. Alright, so the install for this is very simple. You just gotta remove the 3M tape right here, the cover. Make sure the right side camera is facing inside and the left outside facing the left. And you just wanna attach it right at the very top. Push it in. So now we're gonna attach the power. So right here we have the cigarette charger right here, and my cigarette lighter is right under here in the center. It's very simple. Just gotta plug this in, and then you just gotta attach it to the dash cam. Make sure there's power. There's also an LED light right here, green, and make sure that there's power. Alright, so as of now the dash cam is pretty much ready, but we still have a rear camera right here, and the installation is pretty simple. So on the camera itself, it has a male head, and we have another cable right here with the female. So to connect it, just connect these two together, and you connect the USB Type-C end to the dash cam, and you attach this to the back, and that's pretty much it. The USB Type-C end. Alright, so now we're gonna install the rear camera. So we already lined up where the camera is gonna be, but just for the installation process, we decided to open the trunk and attach it like this so it's easier. So it's the same thing. There's like a red 3M tape cohesive. You just want to take it off. And for us, we're gonna line it up right in the center right here and right below this line. And make sure the camera is facing out, facing the back. And we're just gonna stick it on right in the middle, like right here. So just gotta make sure that the center, the placement is where you want it to be. And you can adjust the camera tilt really easily like this. So now we plug in all the cables, the power, the back. We're just gonna cable manage it. So you can see right here the crevices, we're just gonna tug in between that. So right now we got everything set up. We installed the front camera, we attached the power cord for the back camera, and we managed to hide the cables by putting it in the crevices in here. For the same thing for the power and for the rear cable. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so after you install it, you want to put an SD card. So we have an SD card right here, a micro SD card. The way to put it, you want to put it on the left side, and there's like a little slot. And you just gotta push it in with your finger now. And that's how you're done. I'm gonna turn it on. So after you turn it on, I'm gonna go through like the interface and the menu. So there's 4 buttons on the bottom for you to interact with. And there's 4 different icons you can see right here. So right now on the top left, it's flashing red, it means recording. If you want to stop recording, you press the far right, which is the pause, and it'll stop. And then you can press the one next to it to change between the cameras. And the one to the left, you can go to the files. So this is where you can look at your footage. So on the left, the very far left, is the setting. And for the setting, you can choose between record setting or system setting. So right now, record setting. You can change the resolution, the loop time, the display, and the audio. G-sensor, date, mirror switch, hour cut, parking meter, all that. All the settings for the camera. All the settings regarding recording is on this menu. So right here, the front camera is 4K, and the camera facing inside the car is 1080, and the camera in the rear is 2K. So this is all the settings right here. You can see. Press OK. And loop recording is how long each clip you want it to loop. So 3 minutes, that's fine. And then pretty much I think as of now that's all you need. You can do G sensor. So G sensor means that it detects motion, so you can detect a crash. And for the system setting, you can do screensaver, time display, Wi-Fi, date, language, GPS, and more right here. And this is all where you can also format the card. So when you apply a new SD card, you want to format it right here. You just go down and press OK. While you're recording, you can take a screenshot right here. There's like a camera shutter sound as soon as you press it. And you can mute right here as well on the left. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Dashcam to your phone. First, you want to download the app. The app is called Roadcam and has a yellow, like an orange Dashcam as like the logo. So make sure you download that first. So after you download the app, you want to go back to your Dashcam and you want to turn Wi-Fi on. So right now we're going to stop the recording. Go to settings, system settings. You go down to Wi-Fi on. Alright, so now you want to go back to your phone. Look for the Wi-Fi name that's just exactly the same as that. So M8008947 is what you want to do. So you click that on your phone and you type in the password, which is right here. And after that, you should see how there's the symbol for the Wi-Fi is on right now. So right now the phone is connected to the Dashcam. So you go to your phone, which is you go to the app right here, match the name. Now the phone is connected to the Dashcam. So this is the app that after you download it, there's 4 icons right here you can choose from. The bar on the very left is DVR, and this is where you want to connect your Dashcam. So right here, you just press this and you can connect it to the camera. Moments, it's kind of like a social media page where you can post it online. Album is where your photos and videos are stored. And then mine is kind of like your profile page where you can look at your app version, your profile pictures and all that.